Hello guys, this is Raj and welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So today here we are going to study about the stem and leaf diagrams. It is one of an important concept in statistics which is used to actually arrange the data in such a manner which will help you understand, and just by looking at the tabular format of this data, the stem and leaf diagram, you would be able to fetch so many informations about the data. So here this data is, let's take an example of this particular data set. So we have 13, 05, 06, 14, 45. So this is one of the data set, and we need to create the stem and leaf diagram out of this data. So this is the data set, this is a group of data, and we need to create stem and leaf diagram out of this data. And how that stem and leaf diagram, which we will create right now in front of you, and how this stem and leaf diagram, which will be created right now, help us fetch so many information about it. We'll just look at it, right? So stem is actually nothing but the rightmost digit. Without its rightmost digit, whatever left is actually the stem. So if I talk about this example 13, then 1 is the stem and the 3 is the leaf. If 05 is this, then 0 is the stem and then 5 is the leaf. So that's what we have to do. We have to actually arrange the entire data in the stem and leaf format. So let's take the numbers, like which are, let's take the 0 ones first. So if the first digit is 0, like here it is 0, here it is 0, and we have 0 here. So the stem would be 0 here and the leaf would be 2, 5, 6. I'm just trying to arrange it into the ascending order. Okay. Now let's take the stem 1. We have stem 1 13, 14, 14, then we have 12. Any more? No. So we'll take the stem as 1, and then we have 12, 13, 14. So in case of ascending order, we'll write, so it is like 2, then we have 3, and then we have 4. Okay. Any other with 1 as a stem? No. If we take 2 as a stem, then we do not have any other numbers. So we'll just consider 3, if we have 3 as a stem or not. So we have 34 here, we have 34 here, and then we have 34 here. Okay. So let's take the stem as 3. So this will be 3, and we'll just try to be in the ascending order. So we'll be arranging the numbers in the ascending order. So we have 4, 4, and 4. Once you are done with the stem and leaf, so this is how you will get the entire table. So we have stem like 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and the numbers are, like if the stem is 0, we have numbers as 2, we have numbers as 5, we have numbers as 6, and one number as 9. If the stem is 1, then the numbers we have here in this particular group of data set is 12, 13, 14, and 14. You can read the numbers, right? If we have stem 3, then we have the numbers 34, 34, and 34. So 3 times we have got 34. If we have 4 as a stem, then we have got the numbers as 43 and 45. You can just look at here, 45, and here it is 43. Okay. If we have stem as 5, then we have 54, 56, 56, 56. So you have 56 here, you have 56 here, you have 56 here, and you have 54 here. If you take stem as 7, then we have 77 and 78, which is this number 77 and this number 78. If we have 8 as a stem, then we have only one number, which is 87, which is here. Okay. So that's how we'll create the stem and leaf diagram. But how is it going to be useful? It is a quick way of looking at the data set also. Now, how are we going to infer the information out of this stem and leaf diagram? We'll just calculate the range, mode, medium, and interquartile range using this stem and leaf diagram. So let's calculate the range. So range is actually what? X largest minus x smallest. Okay. So x largest minus x smallest. So what is the smallest number here? So this is the smallest number here, 2. So this is 2. And what is the largest number here? So largest number is 87. So this is like 87 minus 2, which is actually 85. So your range is 85. What is mode? Mode is any number which has the highest frequency. So you can see here we have 3 and we have 4, 4, 4. That means 34, 34, and 34. So 3 times 34, we have got 34 here. And we have also 5 and then 56, 56, 56. So we have 56 also 3 times. So that means this is multi-mode. That means this is multi-mode. And the modes are what? We have 34 and 56. We have 34 and 56. How to calculate the median? So median is nothing but 50th percentile. 50th percentile. So what we'll do is we'll calculate the number of items first. So it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 into 2, 20. So n is 20 here. So we'll be calculating the middle number for calculation of the median. So if we have 20 numbers, that means 20 divided by 2, we have to go towards the 10th number. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the 10th number. Okay. And from bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the middle number. So this 4 and 4 is the middle number. So what we'll do is, in order to calculate the median, what we'll do is, we'll take the sum of it and divide by 2. So it is going to be 8 by 2 and then 4. So your median comes out to be 4, which is the 50th percentile. Okay. We have to calculate the interquartile range. What is interquartile range? Interquartile range is the third quartile minus the first quartile. Okay. This entire part is the half of the number. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll take the 50th percentile of the right side of the 50th percentile. Okay. So if this is your 50th percentile, so this will be the right side. You take the middle point of this, which is again the median, and you will get what? You will get the quartile 3, which is the 75 percentile. Okay. And this part, if you take the middle point again, which is the median here, it will give you the quartile 1, which is the 25 percentile. So that's what we are going to do here. This is the second half, and we're going to be taking the midpoint of this. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be your middle point, 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6, again 6 plus 6 by 2. So it will give you what? It will give you 6. So your quartile 3 is 6. And what is your quartile 1? Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. In this set, what is your middle point? So this is your middle point. 4, 4, 4 and 2 plus 3. So what you have to do again, you will have to calculate the median. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2, it comes out to be what? 2.5. This is your quartile 1, 2.5. And your number is 6 minus 2.5. It comes out to be 3.5. So this is your interquartile range. So this is how we need to calculate the interquartile range, mode and median. This is how we would be drawing this stem and leaf diagrams. I hope you may have found this video useful. Thank you.